We're back at this awesome thing. And look, you can see down now.
What did they do? It's not still liquid down there, is there?
I still believe this elevator used to serve a basement.
We know it has.
This. Does that work? That's a no. Beautiful doors.
Added cracked glass. Amazing condition.
The phone's falling apart.
No lights work.
Oh, we're not low on oil.
Good.
Oh, that's new.
That's interesting.
Oh, that's funny. They're playing ELO and I'm wearing an ELO shirt.
This thing desperately needs.
I hope when they do the renovations to this place, this thing will get a mod. It needs one pretty badly.
Oh boy.
That door issue is new.
That's kind of rich. Has a personality.
That's new.
Yeah, that is new.
Chimes twice now. Hold on. No, it doesn't work up here.
You can actually see it right there.
At least the door and lock problem was fixed.
Mostly.
This is definitely a Westy like style panel. This is definitely like a Westinghouse Westy.
It's
like a Schindler / Westinghouse. I'm willing to bet this is like a Westinghouse, especially because of the track. It like really reminds me of Westy-esque things.
One more time?
Yes. Just for good measures. Yeah, it's a weird chime glitch.
Times 4 times.
At least they removed the goddamn ads. I'm trying to see the doors right here. Oh yeah, you can. That actually looks kind of cool. Like when you pass by the glass.
Oh, you can see the switch.
Oh yeah, you can see it from this side.
Someone loves.
It's really falling apart. Nope. And it didn't actually go anywhere. You see all the door equipment, the lovely car top this thing has. Look how dirty it is down there. Alright.
Yes, go for the door tracks.
Yep. I guess it screams Westinghouse. That's it.